Hey guys, so today I have a really cute video to show you. We are going to unbox a whole case of Cino's Dreamland Circus little mystery figures. Now these are from a company called KikaGoods. I have done a video for them before. I'll link it down below in case you want to go and watch that one after this one. I did little like ghost bear unboxings on the last one, but they are having a Halloween event on at the minute, so there is lots of discounts. It's like $10 off over $80 and the money goes up, but we do also have a discount code for 10% off if you want to use that, if that works out better, and that is Lunalily. So I'll put that here on the screen now and down below as well with their website and everything. But yeah, these are what I picked this time. They look so cute. I am so excited. So these are huge, kind of like plushy sort of figures, and there's only 6 in here, so they're really big. And they are a little circus theme, so even the box is absolutely adorable. I love it. It does pop out, so I'll show you what that looks like in a minute, but this is what the box looks like when it is just kind of like this. It's like a little carnival like carriage kind of thing. So like I said, we have 6 in here. There is 6 in the normal set, and then there is 2 rare ones. So if you get a rare one, or if you get 2 rare ones, you don't get 1 or 2 of the normal set. You don't get any repeats in here, so if you do buy a full case, then you do get 6 totally different ones. And yeah, I'm very excited to open these. I've been waiting for these for like 2 weeks. So I will pop the top up and show you what that kind of looks like when it's in its display form. So I can't pop the sides down just now because it is still full of the little figures, but that is what the little display pop-up part looks like. So this is the 6 that we have here. Now these ones, like I said, they are super detailed and they're huge, and these ones are about $30 each, but they do loads and loads and loads of different ones. If you don't love these ones but you do love mystery figures, I would definitely go and check them out. They have like horror-y ones, they have cutesy pink glittery ones, they have like even weird ones. They've got like little scented ones, like home decor ones, all different kinds. I just wanted these ones because I thought they were a little creepy but a little cute. So the little circus ones is what I chose personally. So this is what the mystery box itself looks like. It has the cute little clown lion guy on the front. He is one of the options that comes in the box. And then on the side we have the 6 that come in the set. So we have Guide, Box, Sad, Fire, Balloon and Caesar. And we have 2 mysteries, and they are the Jacks. So they are rabbits, and there's a black and a white one. Honestly, I love these 6. I'd be fine just getting these 6 because I think they're so sweet, but if we do get a little bunny one, obviously I'm not going to complain. So let's just open these and see who I got because I am so excited. So first one, like I said, I haven't opened any of these. I've not even opened the box fully. I've been waiting to film this video. In fact, let's just pull the little tab. I was going to try and do it across the top, but I'll just pull the tab. Yeah, I've been waiting to film this video because I didn't want to open any, obviously off camera, but I was way too excited. I needed to do this today. So it does have a card in here to show me who I've got, but I don't really want to look at it. I kind of just want to open the package and see. So we'll open this first and then we'll look at the card. Let's see who our first one is. Have I got a rare one already? Oh, no, I don't think so. Okay. Who's this? Oh, this is the one that I think I love the most. Oh my goodness. They are so cute. Oh my god, I love him. I think I'm going to need all of them. So there's like different ones. So this is the Cino kind of brand, but the Dreamland Circus theme. So there's also like fairy tale animal versions and stuff that were really cute of this, and like there's different ones, so I think I'm gonna need them all. Okay, so this is his cute little card that he comes with. It says this is circus ticket number 4, seat 78 I think it says, and he is Fire the Joker, the best acrobat ever. So he has little movable hands and feet that go in whatever direction you want them to. He has the sweetest little sad face. I hope it's showing up on camera, but he's like got a little sad mouth. He has a tiny little red nose, and then his eyes are super detailed. So one is like a fire kind of design in this one, and then in that one it is a star, and they both have like sparkles in them. I love him. Okay, let's see what his little accessories are. He's definitely got a hat that I can see in here. This video is going to be manic because I'm just too excited, and I feel like this is going to be so hard to edit. It's literally just me going, oh my gosh, oh wow. Okay, so he has a little tiny plastic fire. I'm going to assume he maybe holds that or something. And then this is his little hat. Let's put this on. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. Okay, so this is what he looks like with his little accessories on. So he has his little Jeffree hat and his little flame in the hand that he's holding. He is so detailed. He has little like painted nails. He is adorable. I do not know where 6 of these are going to live in this house, but I love him, so they're definitely staying. So that one, like I said, is Fire, the Joker. Next one, let's see who else we have. So we have our package. He's blue, whoever he is. Oh, I think this one's called Sad. Let's see, where's his little card? Yeah, this one is Sad the Puppet. So that is his little circus ticket card. Okay, so this is what Sad looks like. They have a little fluffy blue head this time. These are so soft, by the way. And they do have a little squishy soft body as well. So the face is like a plastic hard material, and so are the hands and feet, but the body is squishy and the head is like squishy and fluffy. So they are wearing a little yellow and blue polka dot outfit, and they have little like crying kind of makeup and a red nose and then spirally eyes. And this one comes with a little hat and what looks like a puppet string. I'm not sure how that works. Oh, this is his little hat. I'm not sure how you're going to put that hat on. Surely it doesn't just balance, but I guess we'll see in a second. And then this is the string. So that is the little puppet strings. I'm going to assume you're probably supposed to tie those like around their hands. I'm not going to do that right now because it'll take ages, but I guess you're supposed to tie those around their hands, and that is the little puppet strings. And then it's a magnet. Oh my gosh. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Look at that. Oh, I love them. So that one is the little puppet Sad. I'll try and tie his strings on after maybe and show you at the end, but that is what that one looks like. I don't really know why I'm so excited, because I know that each one is going to be different, and that I'm going to get most of the ones that are on the pictures, but I think just seeing them in person and how detailed they are and how cute they are is fun. So number 3, let's see who's in this one. Oh, this one feels kind of bigger than the other ones for some reason. Oh, this one's a pink one. I think maybe the monkey. Yeah, I think this one is the monkey one. I'm not really sure what makes this one a monkey and not the other one. Oh, he has a little tail. Okay. So this one is, what is this one called? He is Guide the monkey. So this one, he has, I think, bigger ears that stick out of the side and a little tail with bows on it, and then a little polka dotty colourful outfit again and a bow tie. And this one has, this one's kind of happier looking, I've got to say. They have like pink and yellow heart eyes. Hopefully you can see that. They do also have like a little buck tooth in here. Probably not gonna be able to see because the camera is so bright, but that one is what he looks like, and that is the little card. And then this is the accessories for this one. So I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Again, I think this is another little magnetic hat, but I don't really know what this is supposed to be. I think it's a part of the hat. So he has like a little headband kind of thing, and then the little magnet kind of sticks to that band, I think, for the hat. So it's maybe not positioned exactly where it's supposed to be, but oh, okay, so you can move the hat like this. Okay, makes sense. So that is Guide the Monkey. I think this one is my least favourite. If I was going to get one of the rare ones and it was going to replace one of the original ones, I kind of wanted it to be this one, but that is fine. He is still so sweet. So little Guide the Monkey. Okay, next box. Again, I feel like this one feels bigger than the others. It probably doesn't, but when you pull them out, like this pouch seems too big to be fitting into this box somehow. Oh, this one looks fun. Okay, who's this? This is Balloon the Clown. Okay, so this is Balloon's little card. And this is what they look like. They have a lot of accessories. So this one is very bright and colourful. It's kind of giving me lion vibes. This one isn't the lion, but it kind of looks a little lion-y. This one has a few different kind of neck frill colours going on. Again, all the hands and feet and everything move. And this one kind of looks a little sad again. I don't know why they all look so sad. They're so sweet. That is what that one's eyes look like. And then this is their little accessories. So kind of like, oh, balloons. Very detailed balloons, I have to say. Each of the balloon has like a little embroidered face on it. So that's that one, and that one. But they're all just on a string like this. And then, oh, it's a little hat. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. He has like a little jestery kind of hat with little pom-poms, and it's embroidered. Ah, these are so cute. Like, who thought of this? You know, do you ever see something and you just want to like squish it because it's so cute? Like cuteness, aggression. I feel like that's what I'm getting with these. Like, they're so cute looking. Look how cute that is. Why is that so cute? These balloons, again, on a string. I don't get it. I don't really know why they're on a string. They could have kind of maybe put them on a little bit of a wire, so that you could stick the wire around the hand and it like pinged up. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with these, especially when one is like joined on both ends. I feel like there's maybe something I'm supposed to be doing with them. Are they magnet to anything? I don't know. Maybe they're just supposed to be held and then like flopped on the floor next to him like this, you know? But that one is Balloon the Clown anyway. And then we have two left. I don't know if I'm going to get one of the rare ones in the last two. It feels kind of like I'm just going to get the normal ones now, but I guess we're about to see. So, nope, no rare one. This one is the lion one, I believe. Okay, let's get his little card. I keep saying he. I don't know why. I call everything he. Someone called me out for that the other day, saying, why'd you call everything he? I don't know. It's just habit. So this one is Caesar the lion. Looks like that. And this is what he looks like. So they have really curly, fluffy little hair. Kind of an angry face, I've got to say. Little star kind of eyes up there. I think, are they stars? Oh, one's a heart and one's a star. And then a little fluffy tail, the same as the hair. Very cute outfit. I love the colour scheme of this one. Like a hot pink and a teal kind of colour. And then their accessories is just a little magnetic hat. Boop. That is what Caesar the lion looks like. That one's sweet. I like that one. So that is him. And then last but not least, we're either going to get the one that's in a box, I think he's called Box, or we're going to get a Jester bunny. So let's see which one we have. Kind of hoping a little bit that it's a bunny now, honestly. At the start I wasn't, I just wanted the normal ones, but now I think I would like the black bunny one just because we have a rabbit and it would be cute. But let's see who we got. Oh, I think we got the box one. That is okay though, he's so sweet as well. This one's a really weird one. Oh, and he's a puppet kind of thing too. Okay, so this one is totally different than the other ones. Let me just kind of arrange him a little bit in here and then I will show you what I mean. Okay, so this is Box, I think he's called. Let me get the card. Yeah, so this one is called Surprise Box. It just says surprise in the box. And this is kind of what he looks like. So he does have little arms. You can kind of position him however you want to in there. The box has a little embroidered thing on the front here. And then the top has this cute little bow on. Or if you take him out of the box, he's like a little hand puppet. I've got really long nails right now, so I'm not going to do very well with this. But he's like a little hand puppet. How cute is that? So he has like yellow star kind of eyes. I don't love the outfit of this one, I'm not gonna lie. I think this colour scheme is my least favourite one that we got. But obviously you probably would just keep them in the little box like this. And I think the box idea is really cute. So yeah, that one is Surprise Box. So yeah, that was all of my Cino's Dreamland Circus little mystery figures that I got from KikaGoods. I absolutely loved these. These were so sweet. So thank you so much to KikaGoods for sending them to me. I will put all of the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. And I'll also put the other video that I did for them down below as well in case you want to go and watch that one now. Like I said, they don't just do these ones. They have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different mystery boxes. So if you didn't love these ones, I still would go and have a quick look just to see if you do like any of the other ones. I was very tempted by another set of the Ghost Bear ones, and they have little like scent diffuser ones as well, which are really cute. So you'll have to let me know down below if you go and get any, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.